Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 5 students. Today I am very excited. You know why, grade 5 students? Yes, today is our story day, definitely. And this story name is very interesting. You know what is the name of our story? Where is the surgeon? So I really want to know where is the surgeon, and I am sure that you also wants to know. So can I tell you the story? Okay, good. We have completed our new terminologies in previous last 2 days. So now I'm going to tell you the story of this chapter. Okay, and the story name is where is the surgeon? Patient has been brought in the operation theatre. He has a stone in his kidney. A surgeon will remove the stone from his kidney. The surgery is about to start. The patient receives a special kind of medicines called anesthesia. It puts him in a deep sleep. Anesthesia will not let him feel any pain during the surgery. Nurses position 3 cameras around the patient. A second nurse attaches 3 long metal rods to the patient's body. She announces, "All arrangements are complete. You may start the surgery." The surgery starts. Wait a minute. Something is wrong here. There is no surgeon present in this room. There are only 2 nurses standing nearby, and even they are just watching as the surgery continues. So, who is conducting this surgery? Here is amazing news for you. It is called telesurgery. A surgeon sitting 1000 kilometers away from this operation theatre is conducting this operation. Wow. 2 important technologies are making it possible for him to conduct this surgery. These 2 technologies are number 1, internet, and second, robotics. The surgeon is able to see inside the body of the patient with the help of a very tiny camera. This camera is no bigger than the size of pinhead. The inside view of the patient's body is captured by this video camera. This view is transmitted to the surgeon through internet. Surgeon can clearly see everything inside the body while remaining 1000 kilometers away from the patient. To perform the surgery, the surgeon is using another technology, robotics. This surgery is done by robots. These robots look like the legs of a giant spider. These robots are long rods with cable running through them. They move with the help of small but powerful motors and pumps. These robotic arms can move even better than human arms. They can move full circle, up and down, and sideways. The surgeon has small controllers with which he is moving these robots just the way he wants. His controls are of the size of a crayon. These controllers are attached to cables. These cables are taking the command of the surgeon 1000 kilometers away to the robots. The surgeon put his eyes close to the camera viewer. He pulls the left controller. The pin-sized camera enters the human body. He moves the controller to the left. The camera moves closer to the kidney. He can clearly see the left kidney of the patient now. Slowly, he pushes the right controller. The surgical knife enters the human body. The surgeon moves the controllers to the right. Now, the surgical knife is really close to the kidney. The surgeon moves the controller little bit more to the right and the knife enters the kidney. The process of removing the stone has started. It took 2 hours to complete the surgery. It was successful. The surgeon is now busy stitching the cuts made during the surgery. This is done by the same robots as well. After doing the stitching, the surgeon pulls the controller. The robots come out of the body. The nurses move the robot away from the patient. They apply some bandage to the body. Meanwhile, 1000 miles away, the surgeon gets up and changes his surgical gown. He views the operation theater on his computer screen one last time. The nurses are planning to take the patient back to his room. The head nurse looks in the camera and says, "Good night, doc." "Good night, staff," replies the surgeon to the staff he has never met. Turns off the monitor and heads for the parking lot of his hospital. Wow, grade 5 student. This is very interesting story. Where is the surgeon? जैसा कि आपने स्टोरी के अंदर देखा कि बहुत ज़्यादा एडवांसमेंट हो चुकी है. नाउ वी हैव different robots to perform different kind of actions. Grade 5 students, this is called artificial intelligence. So what is very interesting thing in this story? Yes, doctor was sitting at least 1000 kilometer away from the operation theater और उसके बावजूद भी बड़े सक्सेसफुली तरीके से ऑपरेशन जो है वो किया गया. एंड व्हाट वाज द टास्क ऑफ द नर्सेस? जी बिल्कुल, असिस्ट करना, चीज़ों को मैनेज करना, बैंडेज करना, पेशेंट को थिएटर तक रूम तक लाना और वापस उसको उसके रूम में शिफ्ट करना. सो दिस इज़ वेरी अमेजिंग कि रोबोट्स और आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस से हम बहुत से काम बहुत ज़्यादा परफेक्टली कर सकते हैं. जैसा कि आपने स्टोरी में सुना कि इवन के जो इन रोबोट्स की मूवमेंट है वो इंसानी हाथ से भी ज़्यादा अच्छी मूवमेंट है. सो आई होप यू एंजॉयड द स्टोरी. अब आपने ये करना है कि आप YouTube पर जाकर सर्च कीजिएगा कि कौन कौन से काम, जैसे अभी एक सर्जरी हुई है रोबोट के ज़रिए, तो कौन कौन से ऐसे और काम हैं जो हम रोबोट्स के ज़रिए ले सकते हैं. तो आप जाकर सर्च कीजिएगा YouTube पर, उस डॉक्यूमेंट्री को देखिएगा. वो डॉक्यूमेंट्री किससे रिलेटेड होगी? रोबोट से रिलेटेड. ठीक है बच्चों, यही आपका आज का होम असाइनमेंट है. अपना ख्याल रखिए. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.